Hello everyone. Sorry for my absence lately, but I've had a lot on. Trading will always be there for me. Don't you worry about that. So right, basically, um, this is just going to be a weekly outlook oh my God, for GBPUSD, and then I will do one for Euro USD after. Oh my God, what's happening here? Right, there we go. Lower than the previous week. Yep, there we go. Should have set this up beforehand, but there we go. Right, so coming into this, it has been very choppy lately. So taking a week long a week long outlook is pretty hard to do at the moment. Like looking at it for a monthly, like I keep saying, will it hit here and then have a big pullback? I say this constantly. It's been building up, coming back. It's got a bit of a pullback now. It could pull back to here, then go up, and this could happen, like I say, next year, and that could be the high of that year. And then once it's hit the high of this year, it could just pull back and then break the structure down here. We will see. We will see. But if that does happen, I'm gonna probably get into swing trading. So we're coming into this week. Like I say, not much as it's very ranged. You've got this high, you've got this low. You could say okay, you could say supply's held there, you've had a break structure. This kind of held here. We're in this big bullish leg, so we're kind of in no man's land, which I don't like. So when it's that kind of trading, I like to be in and out. High of the week on a Friday, as usual, sticking to the usual pattern. Low on a Monday, was it? Tuesday. Low on a Tuesday. Friday. So yeah, coming into the daily, I suppose you've had a break structure here, and then you've had a demand here. So I will make note of this. Like we've had this hold. Will this hold here? Is that a daily? You could say we did get a reaction off that, but then once you refine it to this, say, are we getting this reaction now? Because we've had that reaction to that. Then we've had this reaction to here. That's also a daily reaction. So it's very, very hard at the moment. Like I say, we're trading between two zones, so a bit risky to decide which way it's going to go. It could come all the way up here. You've got a lot of imbalances up there, which it could go to. Like I've not looked at the charts for over a week as well, so I think I've just done the odd little bits, but nothing too much in detail. Okay, that's good. Has the internet gone off? No. Brilliant. Let's try this one. Mm, 4 hours. Is this one it now? Yeah, 4 hours. Yeah, so the 4 hour, yeah, we are trending down. We've had a reaction from this flip. We are coming down, coming down, coming down, coming down. Broke this. Now we've broke this last point of supply. Come up. But we're now interacting with this FEG, and it did actually tap into that bit there on Friday. And then you've had a reaction and a break. So, as it is a bit all over at the moment, what I am going to say is we've had I'll go to the 1 hour. We've had like our breaks here. So you've got a supply here, and we've got a supply. We've had that react, and then we've had it break, and then we've had it come back, break again, come back, hold here. So what I'm going to say is that we are currently in a bearish pullback. Or is it going to be a pullback? That is the question. Will it be a pullback or will it just carry in? So what I'm going to say for this week at least, take that out and then maybe come into this zone here and carry on. It could keep going to there. It could just take that liquidity out. You've got a big push up here. You've got no zones really nearly to take out. So if it is going to come back down and then turn bullish, I'd want to see this get swept because there's nothing really structurally in there to sweep. We just have like this zone here, so I'd like to see that get swept, possibly pull into there and then go bullish if it's going to go bullish. I mean, it could just from here just decide to keep going up. You've had a big momentous push up, but just from what is happening at the minute, like supply starting to take control, I will aim for this. If that doesn't happen, and the demand takes control, I will say, okay, we've probably got all these targets up here and this to target. But or it could take all this out up here. Could take all that out up there to then come into here and then trade down. But just going off, obviously, supply and demand. We are supply and demand traders. That is what I'm going to say. You have this push. Is it going to hold? We will see. Okay, so that's my outlook for GBP and USD.